For Your Money is brought to you by NelsonCorp Wealth Management.
It's now time for Your Money. We're joined by David Nelson, CEO of NelsonCorp Wealth Management. Welcome back, David.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
So this year's stock market decline has deepened in recent weeks. So what about this market stands out to you?
Well, I think much of the year what we've seen is growth in technology. It's been hit really, really hard. A lot of the stuff that worked in 2020 and 2021 has been the areas that have been hit probably the hardest. The S&P and the value stocks up until the last couple of months have actually been minimal as far as the drop that we've seen there. But recently, the last couple months, we've seen that area get really hit as well. The chart I brought along today, I think, again, will give people a nice visual. What we're trying to illustrate here is the NASDAQ, which we've got the Dow, the S&P, we've got the NASDAQ, all different indexes. This is looking at, on the top is the NASDAQ composite and what it's done. So you see a line moving in the correct direction, and that's upward. But on the bottom, what we see is the number of stocks that are basically trading at 50% or greater losses year to date. And what we see is that 50% of the stocks are 50% or greater down year to date. These are numbers that you just rarely see as far as when we talk about investments of this nature.
So what do you think this means for the rest of the year?
Well, generally speaking, I think drops of this magnitude are going to take time. We talked about as far as on prior programs that this thing, we're not digging ourselves out of this in the short term here. We haven't seen the panic selling yet. That's usually a pretty good indication that we may be getting towards the bottom. So I think people are going to need to settle in and realize this is going to take a while yet.
If you missed any of our discussion, we'll make it available for you on ourquadcities.com.